my soul looks back and wonders.
This is over.
Congratulations, hip hip hooray!
It's over.
Oh, congratulations. So how do you feel?
Very excited. I'll cry. I don't want to cry.
And overwhelmed, totally overwhelmed, but it's a great moment. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Every time I was in trouble, somehow you
Baby, yes. Good job, Aubrey. Gentle. Good job.
now I